Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make up to 700,000 naira in 2 months from Course City Nigeria. So Course City Nigeria is a networking and an affiliate system equipped with the most powerful courses you will ever need. Registering on Course City Nigeria gives you access to 4 different courses and the opportunity to make up to 700,000 naira in 2 months by selling those courses to the buyer the system will assign you to. So the amazing part of the whole stuff is that you also have the chance and the opportunity to make up to 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira on a weekly basis, and at the end of the month you will still make 700,000 apart from the weekly earnings you'll be making. So this is amazing. So this is a very good opportunity to make money online without doing much work yourself. So before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that there are other earning opportunities I will share only to my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video on how to make money online. So with that being said and done, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make 700,000 naira from Course City Nigeria. On Course City Nigeria, you don't need to do much work to make money. No referrals needed, no promotion. You don't need to market any products on sale. You only need to make a one-time payment of 500 naira only, and that's all. You're not paying for anything again, and you will be on your way to earn 700k in the next 2 months. But please note that Course City is not a Ponzi scheme nor a get-rich-quick scheme. You can't just make 700,000 overnight. There are several processes that makes it possible for all of us to generate funds up to 700k from the system. But don't be deceived by anyone. I won't waste my time creating this video if the platform is a scam. So the platform is 100% legit. So I'll be explaining the whole process of Course City Nigeria through an animated whiteboard presentation. But all you need to do to generate 700k in the next 2 months is to make a one-time payment of 1,500 naira, and you must watch this video without skipping any parts in order to understand the concepts before you proceed to registration. But about the registration, I'm going to be explaining the registration process at the end of this video.
You have 1,500 naira. If your answer is yes, then I can tell you that with that 1,500 naira, you can acquire 4 different skills with it, and also have a chance to make up to 700,000 naira within 2 months. Your questions now is how? How? Is it achievable? Yes, is achievable through a new system in town called Course City Nigeria. Course City Nigeria is a system designed to impact its members with quality knowledge and skills like e-commerce, video editing, web design and affiliate marketing. The system also allows its members to sell those courses and raise funds from it. The system brings in buyers and members sell the courses to those buyers and receive the money direct into their bank account. The buyer sends the money direct to the seller's bank account. In Course City Nigeria, the courses are structured in levels. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3 and Level 4. This structure makes it possible for members to generate funds from the system by selling those courses level by level. All you need to start is just a total of 1,500 naira, 1,000 naira for registration, and 500 naira to start buying and selling the courses. Now how to start? After you have requested and received your license number, then you register and activate your license number with the sum of 1,000 naira, and you will be approved. After that, you can now start your journey to financial freedom from Level 1 with just 500 naira. Level 1. In Level 1, you will have to buy the Level 1 course, which is the complete course on e-commerce, from an old member with the sum of 500 naira. That member will now confirm that he or she have received your payment, and once your payment is confirmed, you will receive the course you paid for. Then you can now click on Sell Now button to sell. Now 2 different new members will be matched to you to buy from you. Both of them will pay you 500 naira each, making it a total of 1,000 naira. After receiving their payments and confirming them, you will now move to Level 2. Level 2. In Level 2 you will have to buy the Level 2 course, which is the complete course on video editing. From old Level 2 member, with the 1,000 naira you made from Level 1, after your payment is confirmed, you will receive the course you paid for. Then the system will match 5 new members entering Level 2 to buy from you. You will receive 1,000 naira each from them. That's total of 5,000 naira. Then you can now move to Level 3. Level 3. In level 3 you will have to buy the level 3 course, which is the complete course on web design. From old level 3 member, with 4,000 Naira out of the 5,000 Naira you made from level 2, after your payment is confirmed, you will receive the course you paid for, then the system will match 11 new members entering level 3 to buy from you. You will receive 4,000 Naira each from them, that's total of 44,000 Naira, then you can now move to level 4, which is the final stage.
Level 4. In level 4 you will have to buy the level 4 course, which is the complete course on affiliate marketing. From old level 4 member, with 30,500 Naira out of the 44,000 Naira you made from level 3, after your payment is confirmed, you will receive the course you paid for, then the system will match 23 new members entering level 4 to buy from you. You will receive 30,500 Naira each from them. That's total of 700,000 Naira. Now you can see how you can have access to all the 4 courses with just 500 Naira and also able to raise funds up to 700,000 Naira without having to refer anyone. Just buying and selling. Is that not amazing? Now let's move over to referrals bonus for those that would like to refer people to the system. Referrals bonus. In Course City, Nigeria, referring is not a must for members, but the system have some bonuses for those that choose to refer and help the system grow. Here are some of the bonuses we have for you. And there are also plans to add more in future. Bonus 1. If you refer people to the system, you will be added in our VIP WhatsApp group chat, where you will gain a VIP treatment in follow-up and guidance to make sure you apply the courses you learn properly and make money from it. We will hold you by hand till you become an expert. To have access to our VIP WhatsApp group chat, you need to refer someone to the system. Bonus 2. If you refer people to the system, you will be receiving money whenever the person you referred is selling his or her course. For example, when the person you referred is selling to make 1,000 Naira in level 1, you will receive 500 Naira. In level 2, when the person you referred is selling to make 5,000 Naira, you will receive 1,000 Naira. In level 3, when the person you referred is selling to make 44,000 Naira, you will receive 4,000 Naira. In level 4, when the person you referred is selling to make 700,000 Naira, you will receive 30,500 Naira. Let's say you have 30 people you referred to the system. You will be receiving money whenever each of them are selling. There is no limit. If the 30 people are selling level 1 course, 15,000 Naira is yours. If the 30 people are selling level 2 course, 30,000 Naira is yours. If the 30 people are selling level 3 course, 120,000 Naira is yours. If the 30 people are selling level 4 course, 900,000 Naira is yours. So you can actually make extra money from referring, apart from the 700,000 Naira you will raise through buying and selling. The good thing is that there is no limit to the number of people you can refer. All the people you refer are your money. Even when you have finished your stages in buying and selling, you can still be referring and making money. This is what total of 1,000 Naira can do for you.
So if you want to know how to register on Course City Nigeria, I've created a video that shows you everything on how to register, the card to use, the payment method to use so you won't make mistake, everything step by step. So I'm going to leave the link. It's going to be the first link under this video. So just click on that link. It's going to take you to another video where I've explained everything so you won't make mistakes, so you can be on your way to any 700,000 Naira in the next 2 months. So see you guys in that video.